Hello friends, welcome back to AWS Knowledge Point. So today we will learn AWS AMIs. Okay, so in this practical what we will do, we will first create a EC2 machine with some user data. Okay, then we will create AMI for that machine, and then after that we will share the AMI in another region. After sharing, we will check if we have successfully shared the AMI. Okay, once AMI will be shared, we will launch a server with that AMI, and then we will check if the data is same or not. Okay, the whole process also called as golden AMI creation or master AMI. Okay, so we have to clear all the practice resources to avoid the AWS bills. Okay, so let's go to our console. I am in EU Central 1 region. You can choose any region. So let's launch one server. Click on launch instance. Okay, I will say like golden server. Okay, I will choose Amazon Linux 2023 AMI. I will choose T2 micro. Key pair, I can choose EU key. I think we don't have EU key. So let's cancel this and go to North Virginia. So launch here, because in EU we don't have that key. No problem. So we will type golden server. Golden server. Amazon Linux 2, you can choose same. T2 micro is same. Here we will choose this key which we have downloaded. Okay, so in network section, make sure this public IP is enabled so that we can test in our browsers also. Okay, here I will allow HTTP and HTTPS also. Maybe HTTP only is fine. From anywhere, disk is fine. In advanced detail, go to below, and in user data section I have this code. In this code you can say it's a bash script. Okay, it will do the yum update, it will install the HTTPD, it will start the service, it will enable the service. After that it will put the host name in the index.html from the instance metadata. Okay, so let's copy this and paste here and launch instance. Okay, so instance is launching. Let's go to instance and just wait when it will run. It is in pending state, so let's wait few more time. Once what we will do, after this instance we will create AMI from this server. Okay, and then we will share the AMI between EU Central 1 region, and in EU Central 1 region we will create the server from the AMI. Okay, so it is running. Just see browser, it should reflect some data. Let's wait for some few more time. In the security section, make sure 80 port and 22 port is allowed. Okay, so see, when I am refreshing this, it is saying hello world from IP this. EU Central 1. Okay, so this is the IP 172.31.94.183. You can see this is the private IP of this instance. Okay, and see this is the hostname. Okay, so this is fine, it is running fine. So now what we will do, we will connect this server. Maybe I will use instance connect. Let me connect this server so that we can put some data. Okay, it is establishing a connection. Just wait. Okay, so now I'm in sudo su, and here it's okay now. Okay, here what I will do, I will touch the file data. Okay, in data, this is public server. Okay, it's a custom file. Okay, so see, here's the data, and if you look at, you can see this is a public server, it's a content. Okay, so we are good. Now what we will do, we will select this server, we will create, go to image and template and create image. The image name I will choose master AMI. Okay, here is no reboot option. I will click on enable. Okay, so system will not reboot while creating this AMI. Okay, tag image and snapshot together. You can change to by default. Okay, before creating, click on EC2, go to AMI section. Here you can see we don't have any AMI. Okay, so just now create image. Okay, so it is running now. Here you refresh. Okay, so this has been created. Okay, okay, so this is created. You have to wait until this will not complete. As of now it is pending state. Okay, in the AMI, if you will scroll down, you can see here you can also share with the other account. Okay, so as a snapshot we can share this also. So it's so simple, just wait, we will share, and then we will launch the server in the another region. Okay, so if I will click on edit permission, you can see this AMI is private, it should be private. Okay, let's see, description, copy AMI. Before copy, make sure it should end available state. Let's refresh, it will take some time. Now you can see it is available. Okay, so now we are good. Now click on action. If you will click on edit permission, you can share AMI with the other AWS account privately. If you will click on copy AMI, then in the current account you can move the AMI between the regions. So where we want to move, we want to move in EU Central 1 region. I mean anywhere you want. If you want Mumbai, you can move in Mumbai. I will move in Frankfurt region. Okay, so just click on copy AMI. Okay, so here you can see it can take few minutes to be AMI copy. You can check the progress AMI table in EU Central 1 region. So let's go to EU Central 1 region now. I am in EU Central 1 region. Click on AMI section. Here you can see this AMI has been shared. Okay, previously there was no AMI, now it has been shared, and here you can see it's a pending state. Okay, storage same 8 GB, and in description you can see copied AMI from US East 1. Okay, so once it will available, what we will do, we will launch a server with this AMI, and then if we will hit this public IP for that server, it should work. And also we will log in the server and we will see our data file should be present. Okay, so just wait and it will available, then we will move forward. I'm refreshing it. It is still well pending state. Maybe it will take few more minutes. Just wait. Okay, owner is same, creation date, Linux. Okay, so this method you can use in any scenario. Suppose you want to share something between accounts, between regions, so you have to think, and you can share. Okay, so it is taking time. I'm doing creating this uncut video for you so that you can see how much time it is taking. Maybe it will take 2-3 minutes, not more than that. Just be with me. Once it will available, we will launch the server. You can see here launch the instance from AMI. We will choose this option. Okay, I will tell you here from here also, and from EC2 section also, how we can select this AMI. And this AMI ID, it is unique in every region. Okay, some points you have to be remembered. It is in pending state. It is taking too much time, because if you will go to a snapshot section, snapshot will also come with the AMI. You can see. Okay, I think AMI should be available because snapshot is now available, but it is taking more time. Okay, so in the meantime, I can tell you from instance from where we can choose this. From instance, if you will launch instance, okay, if you will browse, okay, you can see second tab, my AMI. Okay, and you can see this is your AMI, which was shared from US East 1 region. Okay, so from here you can select easily, and you can build your server. Second thing, you can also click on AMI, and you can click on this AMI, and you can launch from here also. It will also the same thing. If you will click, you can see it is coming. Okay, so let's wait. It is taking more time. Okay, so as of now it's a 16:24. Let's see when it. Okay, so after a long time, you can see the AMI is now available. Okay, so now let's launch the server from this AMI. You can see AMI we have selected. It is my AMI. If I will click on EC2 Management Console, we are in Frankfurt region. I'm clicking on AMI. You can see this is the AMI ID. Okay, if I will copy this, I will control F. You can see this is the same. Okay, so we will choose T2 micro. Key pair we don't need. We can use instance connect. Here we need HTTP also. Okay, and here in advanced we don't have to mention the user data because in the AMI it is pre-installed. Okay, so it is also we can set as a golden server. Now let's launch the server. Okay, so it is launching. After launch we will test if Apache server is working fine. I mean, as it is working, okay, this server also should work. This server, okay. So just wait when it will come online. Okay, it is running. Maybe I will copy and I will try to hit browser. It is still okay. You can see 172.31.94 183. Three dot 71 50.202. Okay, this is the IP 202. Okay, so you can see this is not changed because in the user data section this is feeded, it is hard coded. Okay, so hope you are understanding why it is not changing. It is not changing because in user data it is hard coded, and when we launch the index.html file is having this content. I can show you like this. If we will connect this server, I think I will not able to connect also, but let me try. Because we have not used a key. Okay, so we will not connect, but here we can connect. So I will show you. So now here the data, when I put ls, you can see this data file. Okay, if I will cat data, and this is coming from the AMI. Okay, so we have successfully launched the server in Frankfurt region with the user data section. But also cat this path, you can see this is having old IP address. Okay, so hope you got this practical how you can share AMI between the accounts and how we can use it. Okay, after your practice you should delete all this infrastructure so that you will not get bills. Okay, so let me check. if anything else I have missed. Okay, so this is only all, like we can share this with other account, the region. This is the known questions. Okay, so clean up this. You have to delete the servers, then you have to delete the AMIs as well. So I am done with this video. So let me delete all the resources. Okay, so till now, bye bye, take care and have a good day.